In this video, I'll show you the best method to create just one landscape page in Microsoft Word while keeping the rest of your documents in portrait mode. First, place your cursor at the very end of the page that comes before what you want your landscape page. This is crucial. You need to be at the end of the content, not at the beginning of the next page. Go to the Layout tab and click Breaks in the Page Setup group. Select Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a new section where you can apply different formatting. You'll see a section break indicator if you have paragraph marks visible. With your cursor now in the new section, go back to Layout and click Orientation, then select Landscape. Only this section will change to landscape mode while the previous pages remain in portrait. After adding your landscape content, place your cursor at the end of that page, insert another next page section break using the same method, then change the orientation back to portrait for the following pages. Use Print View to verify your layout looks correct. You should see your landscape page sandwiched between portrait pages exactly as intended. This method works in all recent versions of Word and gives you complete control over your document layout.